Welcome, folks. Today I'm taking you behind the curtain to explore what really goes on in our after-sales department. Ever wondered who's working tirelessly to ensure you get the best service even after your purchase? Let's dive right in. First up, the customer care team. These are the friendly voices you hear when you pick up the phone or chat online. They are the first point of contact, handling inquiries, troubleshooting issues, and providing that essential first step towards resolution. Think of them as the frontline heroes, making sure you feel heard and valued right from the start. Next, let's talk about our service advisors. These experts bridge the gap between you and our technical teams. They listen to your concerns, assess your needs, and provide clear, actionable advice. They're the ones who make sure you understand what's happening with your service and why it's important. Without them, the process would be a lot more confusing and a lot less efficient. Now, moving on to our technical support team. These are the problem solvers, the tech wizards working behind the scenes to diagnose and resolve more complex issues. They provide the deep expertise and technical know-how necessary to tackle those tricky problems that require more than just a quick fix. They're the brain trust of our operation, ensuring everything runs smoothly from a technical standpoint. And of course, our mechanics. These are the hands-on professionals who get down and dirty to repair and maintain the products. They work with precision and care, making sure every component is in top-notch condition before it's returned to you. It's a skilled craft, and their meticulous work is what keeps everything running like a well-oiled machine. Let's not forget about the warranty team. These folks handle the intricacies of warranty claims and ensure that everything is processed smoothly. They navigate the fine print so you don't have to, ensuring you receive the coverage and support you deserve. They're like the safety net, making sure you're protected and that your investment is secure. Lastly, we have the service manager. This is the person who oversees the entire department, ensuring every team is working harmoniously towards a common goal. They are the conductor of this symphony, orchestrating every element to create a seamless and efficient service experience. Their leadership is what ties everything together, making sure our high standards are consistently met. So, there you have it. A day in the life inside our after-sales department. Each role is crucial, and together they form a powerhouse team dedicated to providing exceptional service. It's a collaborative effort that ensures your satisfaction long after your purchase. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Remember, next time you interact with our after-sales department, you're in great hands. Until next time, take care and stay awesome.